Hello guys, my name is Akshay and today I'm going to tell you how to use some basic math functions. The first function is math.pow. Pow as in power. For example, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 3 power 2, 3 power 4, 4 power 1, 4 power 2, 8 power 9, and so here what I'm doing is 2 power 2, which is 4. See? You can also do it like this. You can just give a number. It doesn't have to be a variable. 2 power 5 is 32. The same can be done like this. So this is the code. This is the code for power. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Absolute value. Absolute value is none other than modulus. So if the number you give is 8.2343, the value it prints is 8.2343. So here the number I want to make it as an absolute value is 2.8215. Let's see how it performs. 2.8215. Yes. So what happens if it's a negative value? Let's check. Again 2.8215. A positive 2.8215. That's exactly what this absolute value does. It changes the negative value to a positive value. It does not make any change if it's a positive value. What happens if b is equal to 0? Let's check it out. Here comes 0. So I think your doubts are clear. So let's go for the next one. Math.c. This is really simple. So the number here is 2.5213. Then C should be 3. But don't confuse it with round, math.round. Math.round, what it does is, if it's more than 2.5 or 2.5, it converts it into 3. And if it's less than 2.5, it converts it to 2. But here, let's see what happens. Again 3. So what does that mean? It means it will convert it to the number, that an integer that is greater than the value you have posted. So for this value, the integer that is closest as well as greater than b is 3. So let's go to the next one. Math.floor. Math.floor is exactly the opposite of math.c. Floor means it gives the integer that is nearest to the value and also lower than the value. So let's check it out. Floor equal to 2. And we'll check it with a number where rounding off gives a different answer. Again 2. So I think your doubts are cleared out right now. Okay. Math.sqrt. SQRT is basically square root. So if the number you give is 2, is 4, it will give 2. But it also works for numbers like it also works for 2, 3, 5, for whom the square root is not an integer. Let's check it out. See? I don't think you have problems in SQRT, so I'm going for the next one. Minimum value. Minimum value is you have two numbers, you compare them, and the lowest number is printed. A is equal to and B is equal to 2.8213. Minimum value is, yeah, you guessed it right, 2. And the next one is the exact opposite, math.max. Here it gives the maximum value. So if you compare two numbers, it gives a number that's greater than the other number. So again A, B are the same. So it's 2.8213. See? Use the max value. That's all for today, folks. Thank you. Please subscribe.